I hear nature shout, screaming, keep out. Simply leave me alone. Believe this once was a home. Settlers once resided here. Their voices you can hear. Happiness began to fade as the home has decayed. Some moved and carried on. The elders are past and gone, leaving behind a true legacy and the ruins for you to see. Old wood and nails standing, begging for your understanding. Four walls can easily decay. We must not lose our way. Listen and remember to see what is left behind with misery. A guide and hope for all to recall. Be sturdy and dare not fall.